I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. If your Samsung Galaxy phone is overheating, the S9 or the S10 or the S11, this is what you can do to resolve that issue. It can be a bug in your Android system. So what you'll want to do, you want to make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. You want to go and enable your auto download over Wi-Fi, and also if you have any current update, make sure to update your device to the latest Android version. It is very important to do so. As you can see, mine is Android 9 at the moment here, and you need to update your device to the latest version, and this is to fix all wear and tear in your Android system. Also, what you can do, you can analyze your device by going to device care. Ensure that your phone is telling you 80% and above, and also you can optimize your device. Make sure to do this. Also, you can restart your phone at least once per week, once or twice per week. This is very good to do. Also, analyze your device for adware apps and other apps that can be harmful to your Android system and cause a overload and cause your phone to overheat. So these are things that you can do to fix the overheating issue with your device. Ensure to analyze your device properly. Guys, my name is Lens, and subscribe if you're new here, like this video, and also share on social media. Make sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm out.